of the most important method of this exercise as well as this chapter. The title is the same, the question is we have to factorize this. But if you see that the previous question which we have done, it was the quadratic polynomial and here it is cubic polynomial. So the method will find out the factorize or will factorize this is called factor theorem method. The previous one which we have done, that was the splitting method. Here it is the factor theorem method will do this. So let us understand this. Then what should be the first step? What we have to do first, we have to do sum of all the coefficient of p of x. Coefficient of all the terms. As it is 1, it is -2, it is -1 and it is +2. If you observe this, plus minus cancel the same way. So we will get 0. Now when you obtain 0, so we can consider that x minus 1 is a factor. You should remember this. Whenever the sum of the coefficient of p of x is 0, we can say x minus 1 is a factor. If it won't be 0, then we'll see one more questions regarding the same. मगर जब भी sum of the coefficient of the polynomial 0 आता है, तो we can say that x minus 1 is a factor. Now what we supposed to do here? Remember this. This is very important step. Now x minus 1 is a factor. So here we'll do one method to do the further steps. As it is not mandatory to show in the examination, but this is quite unique method that you can understand how to find out the remaining factors. As it is a cubic polynomial, so we must have 3 factors. One factor we obtain, the rest of the 2 will see how to find it out. So what we'll do this, what we'll do here, again we'll write all the coefficient. It's 1, -2, -1 and 2. What I have written here, we have written the coefficient. Let's draw the column. We'll call this a method which is not shown into the examinations. It's not mandatory as I told you. Fine. So we have to put 0 and we have to obtain 0. Compulsory. Whatever the number here, यहाँ पे 0 लिखना है और यहाँ पे 0 obtain करना है. Now let's see how to solve this. So we have to write a value over here. That value is depend upon this. As it is mentioned, x minus 1 is a factor. So what is the zeros of this polynomial? 1. I repeat. यहाँ पे value कैसे लिखना है? So what is the factor? X minus 1 is a factor. So we can write 1 here. अगर यहाँ पे x plus 2 factor होता तो we'll write -2. Whatever the factor we obtain here, we have to write the zeros of that polynomial. Fine. Now this is very important. एक बार समझ में आ गया, then remember the sum is the easiest way. क्या करेंगे हम? This two we have to do addition और subtraction, जो भी relation है. दोनों ये तो 0 है, so there is no value. 1 plus 0 is 1. Whatever you value obtain here, this value should multiply with this value. इसको यहाँ पे multiply करेंगे. 1 1 जा, that value should be written here. 1. ये 1 कैसे आया? This 1 multiplied here with 1. 1 1 जा 1. वापस वही लॉजिक, ऊपर नीचे एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन. यहाँ पे प्लस माइनस माइनस, 2 minus 1 1, साइन ऑफ द बिगर नंबर -1. वापस सेम फंडा, ये नंबर को इससे प्रोडक्ट करेंगे. 1 into 1, 1 1 जा 1, प्लस माइनस -1. अगेन बोथ आर नेगेटिव, एडिशन होगा तो 1 1 2, साइन ऑफ द बिगर नंबर दैट इज -2. वापस नीचे वाले नंबर को ये नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. It's 2 1s are 2 and it's -2. So you can see that they both are additive inverse, so we obtain 0. यहाँ पे 0 आना ही चाहिए. कब आएगा? When these two numbers are additive inverse of each other. ये आपने सही किया. This is what we have done. ये 3 numbers क्या है? That is very important to understand. अब देखेंगे ये x क्यूब का कोएफिशिएंट है, ये x स्क्वायर का, ये x का और ये कांस्टेंट. तो हम एक पावर कम करके इसको कोएफिशिएंट्स बना देंगे. जैसे ये एक्स क्यूब का कोएफिशिएंट है तो ये होगा एक्स स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट, ये एक्स स्क्वायर का है तो ये होगा एक्स का कोएफिशिएंट, ये एक्स का था तो ये हो गया कांस्टेंट। अंडरस्टैंड दिस? क्या किया, यहां पे जो हमने कोएफिशिएंट्स लिखे थे पॉलिनोमियल के, उससे एक पावर कम करके मैंने यहां पे लिख दिया, ये जो नंबर्स आए वो, this I consider as the coefficient of x square, x and constant. अब this is what we have done the rough work, but it is very important to do this one. Let's come here. अब इसके फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे. So let's write the question again. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. You should remember you leave the line, and in one line one factor is x minus 1, that should be written 3 times. 3 बार इसीलिए लिख रहे हैं कि ये क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल है. अगर 4 पावर होता तो हम 4 बार लिखते, मगर शायद वो नहीं आएगा. अब क्या लिखना है, यहां पे मैंने जगह छोड़ी है, तो दिस 3 टर्म्स यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. दैट इज एक्स स्क्वायर जो हमारा पहला टर्म है, द सेकेंड टर्म इज माइनस एक्स विद द साइन, और थर्ड टर्म इज माइनस 2. ये जगह हमने जो ब्लैंक छोड़ी है, क्या करेंगे, दिस टर्म शुड मल्टीप्लाई एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स, सो विल गेट एक्स क्यूब. X square into minus 1, so minus x square. We are multiplying with minus x into x, minus x square. Minus x minus 1 plus x, minus 2x minus 2x, minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. तो आप थोड़ा ध्यान से देखोगे अगर लाइक टर्म्स को, तो हमने इसको स्प्लिट किया और इसको स्प्लिट किया. इट्स बेसिकली a splitting which we have done in the quadratic. मगर क्यूबिक में इट इज नॉट सो इजी टू डू दिस, इसीलिए हमने ये मेथड किया था. अब x माइनस 1 एक फैक्टर है, सो इट शुड बी कॉमन, और x स्क्वायर माइनस x माइनस 2. दिस आर द फैक्टर्स. नाउ यू ऑब्जर्व दिस, सो यू कैन सी इट्स अ क्वाड्रेटिक, तो ऑब्वियसली इसके भी फैक्टर्स निकलेंगे. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक which we discuss. Factors of 2 ones are 2. We have to 1 by subtraction. So the factors are minus 2 and plus 1. Common from first to last 2. X is common, so x minus 2 plus 1 common, x minus 2. So one factor is x minus 2, another factor is x plus 2. These two are the factors of this. So let's note it down. X minus 1 as it is, and the factors of this is x minus 2 and x plus 1. So the question cubic polynomial has 3 factors: x minus 1, x minus 2 and x plus 1. Let's see one more question of this kind of sum. Again you can see it's a cubic polynomial. So let's find the factors. So as we used to check first whether x minus 1 is a factor or not. If you observe, if I do the sum of all the coefficient, it's 1, minus 3, minus 9, minus 5. It won't be 0. 0 nahi aa raha. So it is very obvious that x minus 1 is not a factor. तो अब क्या करेंगे? When we obtain that x minus 1 is not a factor, मतलब जब sum of the coefficient 0 नहीं आ रहा. Let's go for the second option. So let's do the sum of coefficient of even power, that what we checked in the first question. Even power we discussed this one, and the term with x square, the coefficient is minus 3 and the constant you can see it is minus 8, and the sum of the coefficient of odd powers, the sum of the coefficient term of odd powers. So this two, 1 and minus 9. So you see that we obtain minus 8. When this both are equal, so we'll come to the conclusion here that x plus 1 is a factor. So here we come to the two conclusion. If sum of the coefficient is 0, so we can say x minus 1 is a factor, and if the sum of the coefficient is not 0, so we'll check whether the sum of the coefficient of odd power and even power must be equal. If they are equal, then x plus 1 is a factor. अगर ये भी नहीं आ रहा, so that is one more method. But most probably you will get this kind of sum, whether it is x plus 1 or x minus 1 factor. So now let's do that, we used to call that tic-tac-toe method. We'll write the coefficient 1, -3, -9 and -5. What I have written here? I have written the coefficient of polynomial. We'll write 0, we have to obtain 0. Which value we supposed to write here? Correct, the value which we obtained, the zeros of this factor. X plus 1 is a factor, so 0 is -1. Fine. अब ये दोनों addition 1 plus 0 1. This multiply here 1 ones are 1 plus -1. Both are negative, must be addition. -3 -1, so it is -4. This value again multiply with 1. 4 ones are 4, minus plus 4. Minus plus subtraction, 9 minus 4 5, bigger term sign. Again this value should multiply with x 1. So 5 ones are 5, minus plus. As this both are additive and inverse, we obtain 0. So now this term is the consider as the coefficient of x square. It is the coefficient of x and it is the constant term. Let's find the factors. So let's write down the question. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. We should leave a line. In the third, we should write x plus 1 factors 3 times as we discussed earlier. Because it is a cubic, 3 bar. I kept the space here. So which 3 terms should be written? Exactly this 3. So in the first it should be x square, second minus 4x and third it is minus 5. Now this multiplied with both the terms. So it comes x cube plus x square. Now minus 4x should multiply. So minus 4x square minus 4x. Now minus 5 should multiply with the bracket minus 5x minus 5. So you can see that this is the splitting of minus 3x square and this is the minus 9x. So one of the factor is x plus 1 which is common. And another is x square minus 4x minus 5. Now you can see it's a quadratic polynomial. So let's find the factors of again the same term. It is x square minus 4x minus 5. We have to find the factors of 5 and you have to obtain 4. 5 ones are correct. X square minus 5x plus x minus 5. Common from first two and last two. The common is x, so x minus 5. Common is 1, so x minus 5. So one of the factor is x minus 5. And another factor is x plus 1. So this x plus 1 as it is, इसके दो factors है. One is x minus 5 and another is x plus 1. As it is a cubic polynomial, we obtain 3 factors. That is x plus 1, x minus 5 and x plus 1. You can write x plus 1 the whole square also. Let us see one more question. But we'll try to solve this by one simple way. It is not compulsory this method is applicable to all the cubic polynomial sets. That is why we did not use this in the previous 2 questions. So you have to identify whether which formula I am going to explain. If it is applicable to this, then it is the easiest one. But when it won't be applicable, then what the previous methods we discussed, that you have to go for. So what is the new? I just want to explain you. Let's make a pair of first 2 and last 2. The first 2 terms and last 2 terms. You can see that what is common from first 2, that is y square. So when we take out the common y square, so it remains 2y plus 1 into the bracket. From this 2 we have to write the sign of the third term. Nothing is common, should be written 1. As we discussed, when we take out minus common, the sign has to be changed, it becomes plus 1. You can see this both the brackets are same. So let's take out that common. So what remains into the second bracket, that is y square minus 1. Now recall the identity we done for this. It's a square minus b square. So the factors are a minus b and a plus b. So we'll write the factors of y square minus 1 with the same way. So the factors are y minus 1 and y plus 1. So you can see that here we obtain the 3 factors of this cubic polynomial the easiest way. So it is not compulsory that all the sums can be done by this way. But as I told you, whenever it is possible, you can go for this method.